I think siguro if I didn't look at that way, ibang tao ako, maaaring hindi na rin ako tumagal sa industriyang to. Kasi, again, our industry can be a grateful industry, it could be also a heartless one. We all know that. Pero again, kung sa simula pa lang, totoo ka naman at wala ka tinatago, then you're gonna be fine. Iyon yung naging realization ko na sa bawat trabaho pala na papasukin mo, be it in corporate, be it in an industry like this, or in telecommunication, in every type of job, pag plastic ka, hindi ka tatagal kasi hindi ka totoo. Di ba, Mi? Oo. So, kailangan lang yung authenticity mo, ilabas mo na agad kasi doon ka naman talaga magiging masaya eh. Pag masaya ka, you'll be able to put out a great output in every part of work that you give in or in every part of work that you do. Hindi mo mapapansin na ang bongga na pala ng binigay mo kasi you're happy. You love what you're doing. If the people around you likes you and you love the people around you and you work both ways. Kumbaga, huwag tayong umuwi ng may sama ng loob. Ayoko rin kasi pumapasok sa trabaho na bad trip na ako kasi may makikita akong hindi ko time or ayoko nang may bigat sa puso when I go to work. But I am just so grateful that I was able to stay in this industry that I still so love and that respects my privacy in some parts of my life. And probably because maganda yung mga itinanim kong seed growing up. And siguro kung may mai-impart man akong wisdom or something na lang sa pangkalahatan, hindi ka tatagal sa isang posisyon ng buhay mo kung hindi ka totoo. Kahit gano'n pa kataas yan, or gano'n pa kalaki sa sweldo nyo dyan, if you're losing yourself, it's not worth it.